So again, similar to the last video, we're gonna create a net of this cube right here. So being a cube is made up of 6 squares. So very similar, 6 squares with sides of 11 and 11. So sides of 11 and 11 mean that we have an area of 11 times 11, which is 121. So this is 121 for each of these squares. 121 for each of these squares. So we can add them all up together, or since there's 6 of them, multiply by 6. So 121 times 6 gives us a total of 726 for the surface area. Now we're going to go ahead and go with the cylinder. And so the cylinder, this is how you can draw the net. So a cylinder is made up of a rectangle with 2 circles. Now we know for a fact that this is 9. And the diameter of the circle is 2, which the diameter will also be the width of the rectangle. So to find the area of the rectangle, we have 9 times 2, which is equal to 18. And now, to find the area of the circle, we're going to have pi r squared. Now the diameter is 2, which means that the radius has to be 1, half of the diameter. So 1 squared is 1. So the area of each circle is 1 pi. So same thing over here. So that means that we're going to add up 18 plus pi plus pi. Which again, we can just say 18 plus 3.14 plus 3.14 would be a total of 24.28, rounding up. And so for the last one, we're gonna do the surface area of the spheres. Now, surface area of the spheres is easier to follow this formula of 4 pi r squared. So 4 pi r squared would be the formula to use. And so we have a diameter of 10 for this one, which means that our radius is going to be 5. So we're going to take 5 squared, which is 25. And then 4 times 25, which is 100. And it's better to just leave it like that in terms of pi at 100 pi. If you really wanted to figure it out though, 100 times pi would give us about 314.15. And then we have 4 pi r squared for the next one with a radius of 3. So 4 pi and the radius of 3 squared. So 3 squared would give us 9. And then 4 times 9, which is 36 pi. And I'm just going to go ahead and leave it like that.